Hello everyone. Today we're again going to be over chemistry May-June 2015, paper 12, and this is question 11. So this is a Maxwell-Boltzmann distribution curve, and it shows us basically the given energies of molecules in a place, in a container. So it's telling us that what would be the difference in this Boltzmann curve if the temperature is increased. If the temperature is increased, that means particles have a wider range of possible energy values and more particles have a higher energy value. So what are the two things we would expect in when the Boltzmann curve changes, when temperature is increased? So we would need to decrease the most probable energy as particles have a wider range, and sorry, here, I'll just try it again. They need to have a higher amount of energy. So they'll intersect once and they'll have a higher amount of energy. So what would we see? We know option C would be incorrect. This would mean more particles have the most probable energy, and we know the most probable energy is just the peak. So over here, if we see, this is the original peak, and this around here, let's just say, this is the new peak. We can always see that there are fewer molecules with the most probable energy. This would occur when the temperature has decreased. We know it cannot be option D, as this would mean more gases or particles are added to the container, and that's not said. And we mostly assume that the amount of particles remains constant, so it cannot be D. Now let us look at A and B. If you look at our graph, you can see that the fewer molecules, that criteria is met. And let's see if it moves to the left or right. So this is our original, and we can see the most probable energy has increased as the temperature has also increased. So generally, particles will obviously have more energy. Hence, the correct answer over here will be option B.